Lynn's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mapo Tofu. Ma means pakmar and po means wife. So Mapo Tofu literally translates into pakmar wife's tofu. It was invented in Sichuan province in China by a restaurant owner's wife. She happens to have pockmark on her face. That's the name of this dish. Mapo tofu is a popular Chinese dish, and it's traditionally spicy and has that numbing sensation to the mouth, which comes from the Sichuan peppercorn. 4 major ingredients are included in this dish are tofu, ground meat, mainly from the ground pork, spicy bean sauce, and Sichuan peppercorn. Since this dish is relatively easy to make, you can find many different versions everywhere. Today I'm going to show you my version of Mapo Tofu, so let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. The original Mapo Tofu recipe uses ground pork, but you can substitute the pork with other ground meats such as beef, chicken, or turkey. First, cut your tofu into 1/2 inch cubes. Make sure all the water in the tofu is drained. I prefer soft tofu, but you can choose firm, regular, or soft tofu depending on your liking. You can also experiment different brands to find your favorite brand. Finally, mince ginger and garlic. And chop your green onions. In this video, I'll show you how to roast your own Sichuan peppercorns. If you want to save time, you can use Sichuan peppercorn powder instead. Oil your pan and add the Sichuan peppercorns. Remember to continuously stir the peppercorns in the pan to make sure that they won't burn. After about 30 seconds to a minute, take the Sichuan peppercorns out and finally crush them with a mortar and pestle or in the coffee grinder. Your roasted Sichuan peppercorns are now ready to be used. To make Mapo Tofu, first oil your pan on high heat. Add the ground pork to your pan and stir fry until the meat is no longer pink. When the meat becomes crumbly, add in garlic and ginger and saute until fragrant. Make sure to adjust your heat accordingly. Next, add spicy bean sauce, soy sauce, rice wine, sugar, and mix everything together. After about 30 seconds, add the tofu. Carefully and lightly stir them into the mixture to make sure you won't break up the tofu cubes. Add water into your pan, cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. After 5 minutes, add the mixture of 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water into the pan and mix until the dish thickens. Lastly, add in the roasted Sichuan peppercorns, green onion, and drizzle some sesame oil. Turn off the heat and give your Mapo Tofu one last stir. Your dish is now ready to be served. Enjoy! So here's my version of Mapo Tofu today. Mapo Tofu always tastes good with some rice. If my version of Mapo Tofu is not spicy enough for you, you can always add some more hot chili oil or the Sichuan peppercorn powder. Mapo Tofu is an easy recipe that you can easily make it in less than 30 minutes. So it's perfect for people with busy schedule. I hope you enjoy watching me show you how to make Mapo Tofu today. If you like what I'm showing you today, please don't forget to click the like button as well as leave us some comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and happy eating!